Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, all of you. I believe that all of you watched yesterday's PPT and made some understanding about multiple reflection and its applications, refraction of light, dispersion of light, and how rainbow is happening. So, today we are going to start our class. Are you ready? Yes. First topic is multiple. Friends, look at the picture. Did you experience such situations from anywhere? Yes, sometimes you may experience from the dressing room of textiles. You can see so many images are forming in this in dressing room of textiles. Can you count it? Never. You can see infinite images of object. Some of you are experienced this situation from barber shop also. Whenever you visited the science museum, you may experience such situations. How it is happening? Yes, it is due to the multiple reflection of light. You know reflection of light. What is reflection of light? Yes, reflection of light is the returning of light from a surface. So, multiple reflection is the reflection of light in so many times. Due to the so many times reflection, there may be a chance to formation of so many images. So we can conclude that multiple reflection is the reflection of light back and forth several times between the reflecting surface. So many devices are working with the principle of multiple reflection. Kaleidoscope, periscope are the certain devices that make use of multiple reflection. Then what is a kaleidoscope? You can see the picture of kaleidoscope here. It is just an arrangement of three or two mirrors arranged in a special angle, arranged in an angle. Due to the multiple reflection, we can see so many images of an object keeping inside the kaleidoscope. So, one of the example for the device make use of multiple reflection is kaleidoscope. Below kaleidoscope, you can see an arrangement, a ball and two mirror arrangement. In first picture, you can see the images of the ball are three. In second picture, there are only two images of the ball. So, we can see that the angle between the two mirrors are different in two figures, in two picture. So, we can conclude that when we changing the angle between two mirrors, the number of images also will change. Then another device working with the principle of multiple reflection is periscope. Mainly this periscope is using by sailors to observing the distant objects. You can understand how the visibility is happening through periscope. We will explain in live class. Also, I will post a video about the construction of periscope and kaleidoscope. Okay, you watch the videos and just to do or make the model of kaleidoscope and periscope in your home and make the video of that. So, periscope and kaleidoscope are the two main devices make use of multiple reflection. Then we are going to discuss about refraction of light. You can see a straw and a glass of water here. You can do this experiment in your home. You just take water in a glass and use a pencil or straw or anything scale like that materials you can use. Dip that material in water and observe. What is the observation? Yeah, you may feel that materials is bending. Actually, is it bending? No, nothing is happening to that straw or pencil. But how it is feeling like that is that property is known as refraction of light. When light is travels from one medium to another medium, here air is on one medium and water is another medium. We can see the object with the help of light only. So, when light passes from air to water, its the path of the light will undergo a small deviation. That deviation is causes to feeling of that bending. So this phenomenon is known as refraction. Another property of light is dispersion of light. Did you see the rainbow? Yes. How many colors are there? Yes, 7 colors are in rainbow. Actually, it is a property of light. What is the property? We can explain it. We can also create a rainbow in our laboratory or in our home using a prism. A prism is just a triangular glass device. When we passing a light through prism, we can see after traveling through the prism, the light is coming outside with 7 colors. How it is happening? This process is known as dispersion of light. When light passes through a prism, it splits into component colors. Whenever a light is passing through prism or some materials, glass materials, it will splits into its component colors. This phenomenon is called dispersion of light. We can read here violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange colors are present in our visible light. Okay. Then how it is happening? How it is rainbow is forming? You can see the figure here. When sunlight is coming to a raindrop, it will pass through the raindrop and it will be undergoes so many reflection, that is undergoes multiple reflection. After this multiple reflection, when it is come from the raindrop, it will be dispersed or it will be splitted into so many colors. So that colors when reach our eye, we can see the rainbow. So the scientific principle behind the rainbow color is multiple reflection and dispersion of light. Okay, we can wind up today's class. You make the notes using the PPT. And you can also watch the video about the kaleidoscope construction, periscope construction, and multiple reflection, and how the rainbow is forming. I will post the video after this class. Then you can gather more ideas about the topic. Inshallah, we will meet again. Okay, thank you. Assalamu alaikum.